I'm Mabel Liang, Head of International Development and China Country Manager. Today, I'd like to share with you the importance of business etiquette. Business etiquette is not just about the handshake or the smile, it's more than that. Business etiquette is an unwritten set of rules that applies to the overall behavior, dressing and appearance, and also respecting the space and time of others in professional settings. If your people can master the rules of business etiquette, they can build self-confidence, create strong relationships internally and externally, even prevent misunderstandings and conflicts at the workplace, therefore creating a positive working environment. An atmosphere of respect, gratitude, and comfort encourages solidarity, fellowship, and unity within the company. With this, everyone can achieve greater heights and gain more success for themselves and the company they work for. Business etiquette also includes what we call netiquette. These are the rules for maintaining professionalism and proper conduct when we communicate online using emails, chats, and social media, which are all indispensable in how we conduct business today. The British School of Etiquette is the only etiquette training provider in the world that is a provider of training excellence awarded by the Professional Development Consortium. We are the only organization of its kind that is accredited by the CPD, Continued Professional Development Certification Service, ILM, Institute of Leadership Management, and Investors in People. Want to learn more about how we can help enhance your company's reputation and profitability through training your staff on business etiquette? Contact us now. We're here to listen, to train, and to inspire your people.